Did you know that for 8 years, a brilliant mind was trapped behind silence, waiting for the right key to unlock it? Meet Sarah. Born with Cornelia de Lange syndrome, she communicated through gestures and sounds that only her family understood. When doctors suggested an AAC device, her parents hesitated. Would technology really help their daughter express what was already in her heart? The first few weeks were slow. Sarah learned to navigate symbols and screens. But then something magical happened. She started combining symbols in ways no one taught her. Simple requests became complex thoughts. And then came the day that changed everything. Sarah looked at her father, pressed a series of symbols, and called him a silly monkey. Her first joke. The room erupted in laughter and tears. The device didn't create Sarah's sense of humor or intelligence. It simply gave her brilliant mind a voice that the world could finally hear. All those years she had been thinking, processing, and even crafting jokes. She just needed the right tools to share her light. We don't count milestones. We count moments of grace.